Just to start off, this video is only for owners that live in the United States. Federal tax credits for Tesla vehicles expired on December 31st, 2019 for new car purchases. However, there is also another federal tax credit that you could apply for. Here's a website that discusses the tax credit. I'll post the links in the video description. EV charging station purchases in 2018 through the end of 2020 are now eligible for a 30% tax credit for purchase and installation costs, up to $1,000 for residential installations. You can still apply for installations as early as 2017. So if you have put in electrical vehicle charging in 2017 through 2019, you can do so. However, you need to file an amended tax return to claim your charging credit. Tax credits are available for both EV charger hardware and installation costs. So even if you use the mobile connector that comes with the Tesla, you can still use this tax credit on the installation of the outlet, which includes all of the hardware, wires, outlets, breakers, etc., in addition to labor and installation fees. Those owners that purchase wall connectors can use those in this credit as well as the direct wiring costs. In my situation, I installed two NEMA 1450 outlets in my garage for charging my Tesla. I already had the mobile connectors, so I can't use them on this tax credit form. However, I can use the cost of the materials and installation of my NEMA 1450 outlets. Here's an example of the IRS Form 8911, and this is updated for 2020. There's also an instructional sheet that I am going to show after this, and I'm including both the links in the video description. Originally, the extension of this tax credit went through December 31st, 2020, but now it has been updated to end on December 31st, 2021. So if you still haven't installed charging yet, you have all of this year to do it, and then file it on your 2021 federal taxes. This 30% tax credit on charging equipment is good for up to $1,000 for residential, which means you can spend up to $3,333 and get the full amount of tax credit. For example, if you spent $500 on a wall connector and $500 on installation for a total of $1,000, you would get $300 back in tax credit. Remember to contact a tax professional if you have any further questions about this tax credit and how it applies to your situation. If you use a tax program like TurboTax, make sure to fill in this form. Make sure you keep copies of all your receipts in case you need them for proof. So don't forget, when you file your 2020 federal taxes, to fill out Form 8911 and get a 30% tax credit up to $1,000 for your residential EV charging setup. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.